and 6. Okay, so do you want to save? Okay, you can do a couple of things. You can add them all up and take a chance. Okay, or you can take your 2s, or you can take your 4s. What would you like to do? Just your 2s?
4s.
Oh, you want your 4s. Okay. Oh, whoops, nope, can't do that. You've already got your 4s. So, how about if we add them all together?
Yeah.
And put it down to your chance. So what's 4? Okay.
Going to have to do that.
Okay. Let's take a look at this. What is 6 plus 4?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. And what is 10 plus 4?
11, 14, 15.
And 14 plus 2?
15, 16.
And 16.